Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the new Meta app Threads. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Before we start here, let's download the application. You can actually go to your App Store or Play Store right here and just simply search for Threads by Instagram. So here you can see this icon. This is the app that we are talking about. This is just a newly uploaded or released application just this July or June rather, June 27, 2023, where this is very similar to Twitter, but this is directly connected to your Instagram account. So instead of posting images in your Instagram, Threads would be the other way around, where you will be able to post, or the post will be based more on text. So here you can actually find your followers, you can actually connect your followers from Instagram into your Threads account. And the thing here is that you can actually reply or connect a thread into the existing post that you want to comment on, or you want to make a thread on here on this application. So here you'll be able to view a lot of features before you'll be able to download the application. And then you can go back, and once you have viewed all the features for this applications, you can go ahead and click on install, and then you just need to wait for it to load up. This is very helpful. The Threads application is definitely will help you to keep on the trends here on the social media platforms that we currently have, like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So let's just wait for this to fully download. Here, installing. So once this is installed, you actually can upload the followers that you have on your Instagram account, and you can actually, or you just actually need to use your Instagram login information so that you would be able to access your Threads account. So here you can see that you can actually log in with your Instagram, or you can even switch account if you have others Instagram accounts as well. Here, let's just log in. And now that we have successfully logged in, you'll be able to see that these are the different threads that are being posted by Threads users. You'll be able to see that there are comments, similar platform or similar format with Twitter. But the thing here is that you can actually connect this with your Instagram account. So here, let's try to write a new thread. You can simply just go to your, at the bottom part of the homepage, you see that there is an icon at the middle that there's a pen and paper. You just need to click on that, and that will allow you to create a new thread. So you can write anything that you will think of, or what your thoughts of the day is. You can definitely share that here with this social media platform. So you can also go into the search icon. You can look for followers, and here under activities, this is where you'll be able to see your follower request, the replies, and the different posts that you are being mentioned as well, if you already have a lot of friends, followers, or friends that you're following with. So you can see here at the home page, when you go to the threads, you'll be able to see the thread that I posted earlier, and you can definitely continue the thread, or you can just simply type in or react to the threads that you have. So as you can see here with the homepage with the other users, you see that you can definitely share a specific post into your Instagram story, and you can even share it via Messenger or even with your Google Drive, and a lot more. So as you can see here, I'm trying out the option for us to connect this to our Instagram story. And as you can see here, when I open a thread, you'll be able to see the different replies. You'll be able to view as well the likes that the specific thread has got. And as you can see here, there are different icons. The heart icon is where you'll be able to like the specific thread. The bubble icon will be allowing you to comment or reply into the specific thread, and the arrows will be for reposting or if you want to quote that specific thread, and the paper plane icon would be if you want to send that specific thread to a private message or direct message into one of your followers or friends. And that's basically it. Those are the different things that you need to know about the new Meta app Threads. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.